Laguna Madre Water District services the coastal region in the tropical tip of Texas. From its residents in South Padre Island, Port Isabel, Long Island Village, Laguna Heights, and Laguna Vista, Laguna Madre Water District provides safe, reliable, and high-quality water and wastewater services. Laguna Madre Water District provides surface water from the Rio Grande River located in Cameron County. From the river pump station, Laguna Madre Water District pumps raw water to fill Reservoir 4, about 7.5 miles down through a 42-inch line. Reservoir 4 stores 610 acre-feet, or an estimated 198 million gallons. Reservoir 4 then pumps, or gravity feeds the water down about 16 miles to Cuates Pump Station in Los Fresnos. Cuates is a concrete basin that holds 50,000 gallons. From Cuates, the raw water is then pumped 13 miles down to Reservoir 3, which is located at Water Treatment Plant Number 2. Water Plant Number 2 draws water from Reservoir 3 and also uses Reservoir 3 to fill Reservoir 1. Reservoir 3 stores about 230 acre-feet or 75 million gallons. Reservoir 3 raw water pump station is where the treatment process begins. Raw water is pumped and immediately injected with chlorine dioxide. The raw water is pumped into the rapid mix, where aluminum sulfate is injected. From the rapid mix, the water is dispersed into 2 clarifiers. Each clarifier is rated to treat a capacity of 4 million gallons per day. In the clarifiers, the water goes through a coagulation, flocculation, and sedimentation process. During these processes, we reduce the number of particulates in the water to a level required to push through the microfiltration unit. The water is then sent to the transfer well pump station, which combines the water from both clarifiers and then pumps the water into the strainer. The strainers then further reduce the number of particles in the water by simply filtering the water and sending it to the microfiltration modules. The microfiltration system is rated at a treatment capacity of 8 million gallons per day. Each module consists of thousands of straw-like fibers that are used to filter the water even further. The capability of the microfiltration is to remove particles the size of less than 1 micron and to capture viruses like Cryptosporidium and Giardia. After the microfiltration process, it is then injected by caustic, chlorine, and ammonia. After this injection point, the water is sent to the clear well, which is a 1 million gallon capacity concrete storage basin. The water is directed to maneuver through the clear well in a manner as to give the chemical enough time to disinfect, neutralize, and make it potable. Lab tests are run accordingly to verify each step of treatment is performed properly and confirm the safety of the water. Because of this, the water is potable immediately after it comes out of the clear well. This makes the Water Plant Number 2 its first customer. The water is then fed to the high service pump station, where it can be then pumped into the distribution system. Water Plant Number 1 draws from Reservoir 1 to treat water. From the raw water pump station, the water is pumped into the rapid mix, where the treatment process begins. At the rapid mix, Laguna Madre Water District injects chlorine dioxide, ammonia, caustic, and aluminum. From the rapid mix, the water goes into flock 1 and 2, where the water and chemicals are slow mixed and given time for flocculation. This is the initial stage of coagulation, and immediately coagulated particles are settled out and wasted. After this stage, the water is dispersed into clarifier A and B. The filtration system that water plant number 1 has are rapid sand filters. The turbidity level of its finished product range from 0.1 units to 0.2 units at 1 million gallons per day, and at 2.9 million gallons per day, about 0.2 units and 0.3 units. Once the water is filtered, it is gravity fed to an underground clear well that transfers the water to 2 above-ground water storage tanks. These ground storage tanks hold water to pump into the distribution system. Laguna Madre Water District knows that it is important for you and your family to have the best product. We work every day to make sure our services satisfy all your needs and to bring reliable, safe, high-quality water and wastewater services. In Laguna Madre Water District, quality water is our business.